Okay, so just put a new set of injectors in it, brand new from eBay, shipped from China, and one of them is a dud. So just put my old number 3 into this number 2 cylinder because I knew it was a good one. I tested as much as I can for what it's worth, but it didn't have any issues before I took it out. Remember, I used to take this manifold off. You can actually take it off pretty quickly once you've done it 3 times in a row. So if this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's freak out, I guess. So here's the old one. Okay, this is one of the old ones here. I'm not sure what cylinder that came out of. This is the brand new one from eBay. You can see it's all marked. The proper numbers and Audi and all that stuff. It looks brand new. Well, it isn't now because it was just in the car. It only ran for about probably an hour and a half total. Now is the open. But you can't tell, I can't tell, that it's not from Audi or what have you. So here's the ohm meter. And I'm finding these things have about 1.4 to 1.6 to 1.4 to 1.9 ohms resistance. So here's this one. Of course, it's the one-hand YouTube filming repair. Okay, so that's just them touching each other. See if we can actually touch the prongs. Okay, there they go. Can you see that? Okay, so basically, there's no continuity. It's an open circuit. So here's this other old one. This is a 240,000 kilometer injector. You should hear a beep. Okay, let me do this right. Well, anyway, they beep together, so that means it's got current or circuit. There we go. Just did it there. Yeah. But anyway, here, let me get it. Just one sec. Yeah, so that one had 1.3 ohms. Use the chin cam there. So yeah, if you find, and here's your injector wires. They go to this big or larger, it's not big, 10 pin right here. Has pins listed on the back. And there's, for what it's worth, that's the wires in number 1. This is for color codes. You can't see them very well. Number 2. But I tried to find this on the internet and it's freaking impossible. It's probably in the Bentley manual or what have you, but I don't have the manual. Anyway, what it is you come to your 10 pin and each of these top and bottoms are a pair. So 2 aren't. There's one small wire, you'll see it. That blue wire. So that blue wire in 9 and the corresponding wire above it in whatever that would work out to be, or not, 10 are not injectors, but the rest are. And they're pairs top and bottom, so that's, 1, 2, 3, and just a second. Okay, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4 injectors, and I'm not sure what these are for, but I didn't care. But top pin, bottom pin should have a circuit between them with between 1.4 and 2 ohms basically. If it's a lot more than that or 0, then there's either a problem with the wires from that connector to the injectors, or else you have an open injector or shorted injector. All right, hope that helps. Doesn't run, I'm probably just gonna cry, but that'll do it for a 4th time. All right, yeah, have a good night or a good day. Okay, bye.